What is up, guys? Robsicle here, and today I will be going over the new Razer Synapse 2.0 update for the Blackwidow Chroma. And I will be showing you the new functions and the new updates, especially the new effect, the ripple, which I will show you in a bit. So this is what the new update has changed for the Synapse 2.0. So basically the lighting has changed. Nothing else has changed whatsoever. And so we have also our ripple effect right here added from our previous original 6 effects. So let's just go with the ripple, and this is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? It's kind of like the Corsair's kind, but for Razer. No big deal. So let's just go into the Chroma Configurator, which they have programmed for the Razer Blackwidow Chroma. So this is the Razer Chroma Configurator, and here you'll see that the keyboard is lit up with the ripple effects. I'm just going to delete some of these things. Alright, apply. Okay, this ripple isn't on right now, so I'm just gonna turn it on. Let's make it rainbow. We'll apply, and it should work. It's not seen right now. Okay, there we go. Now we apply, and now you can see it. It's a rainbow ripple effect. Alright? And so basically, what's changed is that there are the game templates, which are the same, and you also have effect layers. So let's just go into the help option, and I'll show you what's up. So here you can quickly select a group of keys using presets or game templates. Next, you can hold the control key and clicking, or click and drag to select multiple keys. Usually you just click and drag. It's way easier and way faster and more efficient. Use the delete key to clear the effect from selected keys, just like from the original program. You can also add effect layers to personalize your chroma lighting, so you have effects upon effects, and effects are stacked in layers, which one listed on top being most visible, and drag and drop layers to reorder them. So you can just reorder them however you like. Customize the settings for the selected effect, and click apply to save your effects. Self-explanatory. So let's start off with the ripple effect. So right now it's basically applied to the entire computer, or keyboard, sorry. As you can see, there's a little green frame here. Green frame means that it's part of the effect layer, but when it's filled up as green, that means the effect will apply when clicked. So if we were to deselect all, so all these are highlighted in green, meaning that the effects are present and usable. If we were to click F and press delete and save, if you press F, the ripple won't work, as seen here. But if you press G or H, J, K, whatever, the ripple works. And if you can see here, if I press semicolon, that the F doesn't light up. So basically, every single time, just make sure that your keys are indeed lit up, so you can have the effect. And I think you've seen here that there are 7 stops here. There's a red, yellow, green, light blue, or turquoise blue, purple, and magenta, or fuchsia, whatever you like. So these stops basically mean the different times that the colors will change. So since red is first, whenever you first press a button, the first color that you'll see is indeed red, and the next color will be yellow. But if you were to change this to green or light blue, let's do light blue. Light blue or turquoise, apply that. Oh, sorry, it's only F. So make sure you change the entire thing. You apply it to this light green, apply. And now the first color that you see whenever you press it is indeed a light blue. Okay? Next, I'll be showing you different speeds. So as like before, like for example reactive, they had the slow, medium, fast. The ripple always also has that. And if we were to change it, we can change it to slow and apply. Right now it's a slow ripple. We go medium, it goes a little faster. And if we go fast, it's like extremely fast. Like it's almost like you're having epilepsy. And for custom, you can basically do however many keys you want. You can do 70. Just says how many keys it goes past per second. So if we could do 1 per second, I think we can do 1 per second. Let's try 1 per second. Yeah, 1, 2 per second. It goes 1 frame by frame, kind of like that. But that might be kind of slow for you, and it might seem that the world is on a glitch or something. So most people will usually like slow because it seems like the right feel for a ripple, like a really natural ripple. Next, you have our width of the keys, which means the thinness or the thickness of the colors. So we'll show you, I'll change this back to red first. I'll show you the width of 1. So it's kind of like thinner. It's a little thinner. And if you do 2, apply 2, it's a little thicker. And if you do 3, which is the max, it's very thick. And you can tell how many are doing by, you have 1 with 3 slow. Oh, sorry, you have to go to custom, go to 1, enter, and apply. And you'll see 1, 2 per second. There's 3. Do you see that? Every second is 3. That's the width of the lighting. Next, I'll be showing you the effect layers. So you can basically add effects upon effects. Let's put this back to slow. Alright, effect layers. So we have our ripple. Let's cancel everything. We'll take this out. We'll delete all this, and we'll only do ripple effect for these keys only. Apply, and so only these ones. Sorry, not WASD. Let's drag this back. Sometimes it kind of malfunctions, so you just have to make sure it's going good. Interesting. Control rainbow, select. And now all these ones are ripples. Okay? Next you can add spectrum cycling, which means, spectrum cycling through the rainbow. We'll select only the numpad. And you can't change any settings besides nothing, because spectrum cycling is spectrum cycling. Can't change anything about that. You apply. So you can see here, spectrum cycling going over here, and reactive going over here, which is pretty cool. And we can add more. We'll add reactive onto, make sure every single layer you don't overlap. So if reactive, you only want the number keys, you just want to delete this. And don't worry, deleting this on the reactive layer won't change the spectrum cycling layer. So we'll just highlight all these ones, put them to green, apply, reactive. Reactive, ripple, spectrum cycling. Next, we can do static. You don't need these ones here. Delete. Macro keys, make them blue. Static, reactive, ripple, spectrum cycling. Also add wave. Don't need this here. Just to make sure, just to be more clean and clear and under control with the keyboard. And we'll just put this as a wave, and we'll just apply. Oh, sorry. For wave, it's really weird. You have to click, every time you click wave, you have to click split on, and then it'll appear. And when you apply, wave, static, ripple, reactive, spectrum cycling. Pretty freaking awesome. Just to add more coolness, we're just going to add one more layer of breathing. And close this. We'll select the 6 keys and arrow keys. to yellow, and to pink. And we'll apply to that. As we will see here, glowing, or sorry, breathing, spectrum cycling, wave, static, reactive, and ripple. Extremely customizable now. Like back when the first Chroma came out, it was pretty limited, but now we can say that it's pretty unlimited, or at least not as limited as before. So last but not least, I'll be showing you the key presets of these effects. I'm just gonna delete them all. I'll keep ripple on. We'll stick them all. Colors. All right. So all this is back to ripple now. And for templates, basically every single time you click a template, it'll show a static, and you'll have your keys. You can change the color keys as much as you want or whatever you like. So you click apply, and you'll see that the template is indeed here. And for all the other keys, will be indeed ripple, because the ripple layer is here and the static layer is on top. As same thing for all the other templates. Unfortunately, when you are wanting to change to a different preset, for example, if you want to change from FPS to League of Legends, see League of Legends has all these keys preset, and FPS has all these keys preset. If you have both presets on and you press apply, you'll see that they actually you can't see that they're overlapping because they use the same keys. Hold on. Alright, first of all, we have StarCraft, we have the presets, everything else is ripple still, because our ripple layer is still there. And then, if we were to add the next preset, League of Legends, which has all these presets down, and you press apply, you see how it layers. So if League wasn't there, it'll look like this. If League is there, it'll look like this. And if StarCraft isn't there, it'll look like this. So basically you have to make sure that you either press the I, which means visible or invisible, and press apply, or you just delete one of each preset before you use it, to make sure that you're not screwing around with your presets and you don't screw up anything else, because it overlaps and it kind of gets confusing because you have the certain colors, but then you realize that you overlapped a layer and now it looks really weird because you don't use certain keys that are lit up. So basically that's all for the Chroma Configurator. Basically increased the possibilities for the creator to make anything that they want. They have templates, they have levels. You can basically create anything you want. So that is all for me. Hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe and share this with all your friends. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.